question number 20. If the distance between two places on a map is 2 cm, while the distance on land is 4 km, kilometers, the scale of the map is A, 1:100,000, B, 1:200,000, C, 1:50,000, D, 1:150,000, E, 1:250,000. Now, for us to put this in context, we all know that in geography, when you are doing map reading, you have the actual distance on land as against the distance on paper, and that's when you talk about the scale of the map. So having this in mind, we can solve this by saying distance on map equal to 2 cm. Now distance on land equal to 4 kilometers, 4 km. Now we have 2 cm. We have 2 cm on map to give us 4 kilometers on land. So anywhere you have 2 cm on map is actually 4 kilometers on the land. Now, but we all know that 4 kilometers is the same thing as saying 400,000 cm. So in essence, we are actually having 2 cm on map as against, instead of 4 kilometers, we are now having 400,000 cm on land. You see that we are trying to bring cm to be cm on both sides. Now, if we now say that 2 cm on map gives us 400,000 cm on land, that means 1 cm on map will give us how many on land? It will give us x. So making x the subject of the formula, we can cross multiply so that we can have 400,000 all over 2. That's 400,000 times 1 all over 2, which will give us what? 200,000 cm. So in that case, we have 1 cm on land will always give us how many? 200,000 cm on the land. That means we're having a scale of 1:200,000, and that makes option B the right answer, and that is our answer. Thank you. God bless.